Sa totoo lang naman, sir, hindi naman masama ang martial law eh. After ng EDSA Revolution, dahil sila na yung nakapwesto. Pinasama lang ng mga kinos at ng friends nila yung totoo ibig sabihin nito.
Friends talaga?
Okay guys, this is not about the Aquinos, okay? Yes, agree. They are not saints as how they are being portrayed. But martial law or anything that uses the same tactic or system of violence to control its constituents will never be good to any society. And that is proven by history.
Sorry sir hanggang friends lang kasi kaya ko i-English yun eh.
Yes, Carlo.
Pero sir, tama naman si Jace. Ano ba ang nangyari sa panahon ng mga presidente natin after Marcos? We went from bad to worse, and history can also prove that. Our past administrations have been just as corrupt as before. Ang sabi nga ng parents ko, at least dati Marcos lang nagnanakaw. Ngayon, lahat ng politiko nagnanakaw na. And at least ang mga Marcos, may mga napagawa sila sa bayan na hanggang ngayon napapakinabangan pa. After them, wala na nagawa. Traffic pa nga lang, di natin maayos. Kaya nga late kayo lagi, di ba, sir?
Okay. Kung martial law ngayon, at ganyan ka sumagot, tatlo lang ang pwedeng mangyari sa'yo. Una, ikukulong ka at ito-torture. O pangalawa, papatayin ka. O pangatlo, hindi ka na makikita ulit. Marami akong sagot sa mga sinabi mo at marami rin naman tama at totoo doon sa mga sinabi mo, Carlo. Our country and the Filipino people have been victimized by its politicians since time immemorial. Pero ang ikinalulungkot ko, yung hindi na tayo natuto. And I was hoping to do my part by telling you the things that happened and are still happening. Masyado kasing naging relax yung generation namin after the martial law. Nabulag kami dun sa kakaunti at peking kalayaan. Pero totoo, wala naman talagang nagbago. At sa ibang aspeto, mas lumala pa nga. Hindi na si Marcos ang may kasalanan, kundi tayo. But I'm still hoping that it's not too late. Okay. I need to ask you something, guys. And I want you to make this as your assignment. Since we have a long break, I want you to find someone, aside from your parents or relatives, who lived during the martial law years. Ask them anything or everything. How was life then? And then report it to the class. Okay? Class dismissed.
Drama ni sir, no? Hirit pa sana ako ng 2:30. Kaso ba mapikon?
Tara na nga.